Welcome to MKE Rental Private Limited. Our enormous spectrum of services encompasses wide range of heavy and light equipment for sale and on rental basis. Our integrated ERP rental software is customized and can provide seamless end-to-end order process in a breeze. MKE Rental is proficient in technical expertise and they can provide complete solution for your equipment needs. MKE Rental's modern equipment are reliable and offered with anytime backup services, thus making us unique and preferred supplier for hiring and buying of plant and machineries all across India, UAE, and Saudi. We provide equipments for complete lifting solutions such as diesel boom lift, electric man lift, scissor lift, spider lift, truck-mounted boom lift, up to 70 meters height, crane 25 ton to 500 ton, spider crane, material handlers such as diesel forklift, battery forklift, reach stacker, pallet stacker, JCB telehandler and a range of industrial equipment such as diesel welding machine, TIG or MIG or stick welder, power generator, air compressor both diesel and electric up to 25 bar, tower light. Also, we provide operators and riggers and transporting vehicles such as high crane, recovery and low bed trailers, along with earth-moving equipments on daily, weekly and monthly rental basis. We also provide a wide range of new and used top brand equipments for sale at a very attractive prices. The hired equipment are provided with complete maintenance services that are reliable and on time.